morning to another day. Really sleepy. Let's go on the scale and see what it says. Feeling really good today about it. $73.6, which I believe is a new low weigh-in, so really excited about that. So I'm gonna grab a shower and go hit some breakfast. See you in a bit. Okay, we're gonna eat, everybody, and we are gonna have 2 packets of our golden syrup oats mixed with some My Protein salted caramel protein, mixed with some Walden Farm syrup, which I'm gonna take out of the cupboard, and dash of salt and water. Very simple. So let's get eating. For beverage of choice for breakfast, we're gonna have black coffee, and I've just put a small splash of these morning sugar-free caramel syrup. So golden syrup, salted caramel, sugar-free caramel. You can see the pattern, so let's see what happens. Nothing I haven't seen on this channel before, so let's get going. Got my 2 packets of oats and in we go. 1 scoop of protein powder, a little bit of salt, a little bit of cinnamon. Mix out the dry ingredients. Now the secret, we're gonna add more water than we think we're gonna need, because believe it or not, in the microwave this is gonna absorb. So water, just stir this roughly in so it doesn't stick in the edges. You can see it is very watery indeed at the moment. And in we go into the microwave machine. After a while, give it a bit of a stir to start setting on the edges. And back in for the remainder of the time. And there you have it. Much thicker already. Beautifully hot. I like it this consistency. All we're gonna do now is add some of the Walden Farms pancake syrup. Mix that in. You can see the color changing. Take this and go enjoy. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Hello again, everybody, and it is lunchtime and I am starving and I'm really not in the mood to cook, so this is where the meal prep is essential. So we're gonna have some VT rice, 2-minute microwave. This is my pre-portioned 200-gram bags of my pulled or shredded chicken, which you've seen me make in a video previously. So defrost that quickly in the microwave, warm it through. and again sprinkled with some salt, garlic powder and butter spray. Huge portion of that. Been neglecting my veggies recently, and kids, remember, eat your veggies. We're gonna have 3 servings of broccoli. So let me all get this heated through. I'll show you the final dish. I'm not gonna show you the cooking and the prep because it is basically heat, heat and heat. So I'll be done in about 5 minutes. So in YouTube time, I'll see you in a second. There you have it. 5 minutes, maybe 6, and our chicken with rice and broccoli with garlic and salt all done. So I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I'll catch you in the next meal. Take care for now. Good evening, and it's time for our big main meal of the day, and we have got a lot of calories, a lot of macros available still today. So we're gonna make the most of it, and it's gonna be very quick because I'm very tired. Just got back from the gym, and this is where the meal prep comes in very, very handy. So check it out, guys. We're gonna have 1 full packet of this VT rice, which is 2 servings. This is some of the bulk chicken prep which we keep on doing, so 300 grams of that, and top it off all with some sauce. Microwave on a plate, done in under 5 minutes. So let's get this going and I'll show you what the final result looks like. And it's ready, and literally 2 minutes for the rice, 2 minutes for the chicken, 30 seconds for the sauce on top of the rice and the chicken, and we're done. And this is the final result. There we go, beautiful rice, sliced chicken, which we had from the bulk cooking, and the tomato sauce. So I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I will catch all of you later.